Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group will present about the fax machine or facsimile as communication system. This is our group members. My name is Munira Najah binti Muhammad Isa and I will introduce about the introduction of fax machine. What is fax? Fax is basically a technique of reproducing a document electronically at a distant place. Fax machine is an example of digital communication system. Next, the use of fax machine. It sends all the data over the telephone lines. Even the images are converted into digitized form and then sent over the telephone lines. It also does the task of receiving the digitized image information. The fax machine consists of scanner, printer, and modem, and all built into one device. All fax machines can be connected to the telephone network just like a telephone. The importance of fax machine. It used for global coverage and acceptance, traceable, legally binding, Asia delivery, and so on. Next, for the block diagram, I will pass to Goh Kia Wei.
My name is Goh Kia Wei. I will present about the transmission part for the fax machine. For the block diagram, we can see that the fax machine will be functioned by the microcomputer control system. All signal will pass through it to transfer information. For the LED display, it displays the fax machine information such as phone number. Both sender and receiver need to exchange signal to communicate. The image sensor is a scanner. It used to detect and convey the information that constitute an image. It's converting the variable attenuation of live wave into signal and small bursts of current. For the transmit small bursts, for the transmit in image processing, the encoded bit string be modulated into analog carrier wave by a voice band modem and transmit through the telephone network. For the receiver part, I will send to Munira.
Okay, my name is Munira binti Marus. For the receiver part, the signal is sent to a modem where it modulates a carrier spectrum bandwidth. Then the signal is transmitted to the receiving fax machine over the public switch telephone network. The receiving machine's modem modulates the signal that is then processed to recover the original data. Next, the data is decompressed and print out.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Enawati. Today I will present about problem segment. First, fax are transmitting or being received very slowly. If you are sending or receiving a very complex fax such as one with many graphics, takes longer to be sent or received. Secondly, fax machine signal and error, get a lot of communication error. Third, reception problem. The call waiting signal tone can disrupt the connection, as can present a voicemail or an answering machine on the same line as the fax machine. That's all. Next, I will pass to my friend.
Right. Hi, my name is Nurin Zulaika. And these are the solution. For the first problem, fax are transmitted or received very slowly. See, the transmission speed of your fax can be affected by several factors. One example, poor phone line connection. When there's a poor phone line connection, the product and the receiving fax machine slow down line's transmission to adjust for errors. So what you should do is you should simply hang up and resend the fax. For the second problems, when a fax machine signals an error, you have to make sure that the phone line is plugged in all the way
that you hear a clear dial tone through the phone receiver. And lastly, for the third problem, the reception problems. If the receiving machine uses a voice over internet protocol connection on which phone calls and faxes run on part of the bandwidth from broadband internet service, the device must be adjusted to run at slower speeds to compensate for the way voice over internet protocol transmit call data. Thank you.
Lastly, for the conclusion, we know that the communication system continue to grow every day. The physical phone and fax machine will continue to be a significant part of communication. The fax machine continue to be important means of communication even in the most technology diverse country. The amount of email that we receive on daily basis create another challenge. So we conclude that the fax machine will be better communication in terms of quality. That's all from our group. Thank you.